How to change your appearance fast. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Are you so used to your look and want to change your appearance? Well, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'm sharing 4 quick and easy tips to help you change your appearance fast. Changing your appearance doesn't always require a complete change. Sometimes, a few simple tweaks can make a huge difference in how you look and feel. True beauty doesn't only come from how we look on the outside, but also from how we feel on the inside. When you feel good about yourself, it naturally shows in your appearance. Confidence and a positive outlook can enhance any change you make to your look, making you shine even brighter. Now we are diving into updating wardrobe and fashion, hairstyle and beauty, skincare, little details. So let's start. Update your wardrobe and fashion. Fashion helps change how you look. The right clothes can show off your best features and even boost your confidence. Choose clothes that fit well and suit your body shape. Here's a deeper look at how to be more put together and confident. Understand your body shape. Before buying new clothes, it's important to know your body shape. Clothes that suit your shape can help you feel more comfortable. Add trendy accessories. Accessories are a great way to update your wardrobe without a full overhaul. They can add personality, color, and a modern touch to even the simplest outfits. Some trendy accessories to consider are jewelry, hats, and bags. Don't forget about colors. The colors you wear can also affect how you look. Some colors may complement your skin tone, while others not. Experiment with different colors to find what makes you feel and look your best. Seasonal update. Your wardrobe should change slightly with the seasons. This doesn't mean changing everything, but adding pieces that suit the current weather and trends. By choosing clothes that fit well and reflect your personal style, you can instantly boost your confidence and make a positive impression. Remember, it doesn't take a complete wardrobe change. Just a few key pieces and thoughtful accessories can make all the difference in how you look and feel. Hairstyle and beauty. Changing your hairstyle or makeup can make you look different and fresh. A new haircut or makeup can help you feel more confident. If you don't want a big haircut, try a different style or add volume with hair products. Here are some tips to help you change your hairstyle and improve your beauty. Hairstyle tips. Try a new cut or style. A change in cut can make a big impact without needing to alter your natural hair color. Consider getting a fresh haircut, whether it's new length, layers, and bangs. Try hair accessories. Add variety to your usual style by using hair accessories like headbands, clips, or scarves. They can instantly transform your look without much effort. Beauty tips. Enhance your eyes. Use mascara to make your lash look longer and fuller. If you want extra definition, consider using eyeliner or eyeshadow to accentuate your eyes. Try simple makeup looks. For a quick beauty boost, try applying concealer to cover blemishes and even out your skin tone. Add a touch of highlighter on your cheekbones to give your face a natural glow. Define your eyebrows. Well-groomed eyebrows can make a big difference in your overall look. Fill them in lightly with a brow pencil or powder to enhance their shape and frame your face. Try a new lip color. Changing your lip color can make a big difference in your look. Bold reds or deep berries can make a statement, while neutral shades keep things subtle and natural. Take care of your skin and body. Healthy skin and a well-cared-for body can make you look younger and more vibrant. Clear, glowing skin shows good health, and taking care of your body makes you feel better. Here are more tips to help you take care of your skin and body. Skincare. Double cleanse your skin. If you wear makeup or sunscreen, try double cleansing. Start with an all-based cleanser to remove makeup and impurities. Then use a gentle water-based cleanser to clean your skin thoroughly. Tailor products to your skin type and concerns. Use face mask. Face masks can provide a quick boost to your skin. Hydrating masks are great for dry skin. Use a mask that fits your skin's needs to give it an instant refresh. Stay consistent with sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the best ways to prevent premature aging and protect your skin. Body care. Moisturize regularly. Hydrating your body after a shower helps keep your skin soft and smooth. Exercise regularly. Staying active helps improve circulation, boosts energy, and keeps your body toned. Whether it's walking, fitness, or dance, regular exercise promotes overall health and a more toned appearance. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your skin hydrated and healthy. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for your skin's health and your body's overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Eat balanced diet. Eat food that are rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Little things. Teeth care. Invest in your smile. Brush regularly. Visit dentist. Consider teeth whitening. Use good posture. Standing or sitting up straight instantly makes you look taller and more confident. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and chin up. Practice good posture whenever you walk or sit. Wear well-fitting shoes. Shoes that fit well and match your style can change your whole outfit. They also affect how comfortable you feel while walking or standing. Choose shoes that are both stylish and comfortable. A great pair of shoes can elevate any look. Clean nails. Neat, clean nails create a polished look. Whether you prefer natural nails or a manicure, well-maintained nails make a difference. Moisturize lips. Use a lip balm regularly. Apply lip balm throughout the day, especially in dry or cold weather. Lip balms create a protective barrier for your lips from becoming dry or cracked. Changing your appearance fast doesn't have to be a magic trick. With a little creativity, some new clothes, a fresh haircut, you can look and be a better version of yourself. And just remember, it's all about confidence.